Now let me explain how to fix those sudden crashes you may experience while working. In CapCut on your PC, let's explore solutions together. First, try restarting your PC, as this can help clear temporary files and resolve any hanging processes. Clears temporary files, hanging processes, and driver errors that often cause issues, ensuring smoother performance during your tasks. Now, if that doesn't work, try updating your graphics driver for better performance. Graphics card now, a very common cause of crashes, but if that doesn't work for you, let's explore other solutions together. This method is simple. Just try clearing the cache in the app itself. In the CapCut app, this method also always works, especially when you are working on your videos. While working on your videos, editing them both before and after, always clear the cache in CapCut before or after working on your projects as needed. Work as it can become very overloaded, leading to performance issues and unexpected crashes during your editing process. Also, try to free up space on your disk, as it can help improve. CapCut requires a disk for rendering cache and temporary files, as shown. Keep this in mind for your future work, as managing files effectively can greatly enhance your productivity. In CapCut, as you can see. That's all for now. Thank you all for watching. Wishing everyone good luck, and goodbye.